Good morning. How are you all this morning? Wasn't that wonderful? We want to show you what you helped create. We had an amazing camp with 19 children from different churches. It was truly the first interfaith camp that we've had in institutional memory, I've been told. So we would like to thank you because 14 of the children needed whole or partial scholarships, and you helped send these children to camp to have this beautiful experience. Thank you. So we had 5 days of activities, including drumming, including rapping. We had a field trip to the Gates Foundation. Some of the children went to the museum. We had art projects. It was really, truly a beautiful week. We had yoga. There was mindfulness. And there was an opportunity for the children to share and express themselves. It was really wonderful. A couple of things I would like to bring to your attention. First of all, is that throughout the week, Leah and Michelle Focus, who is the director of youth at Unity of Linwood, were the camp counselors. They wove through the entire week mindfulness, kindness, consideration. And the children spoke about it, and we got notes from their parents that they were so pleased with what they had come home with. So, isn't this wonderful? So I would like to end by saying thank you to all of you for your help, and to the staff for all of your support and help with this. Thank you so much. There's a long list of people I would like to thank, but we don't have time for that right now. But what I would like to say is thank you to the Gates Foundation, to Maria, I don't want to butcher her name, Guagliardo, Lewis Mason, Brenda Alatori. Brenda Alatori is from Unity of Yakima, and she came over to do para care for one of our children. Isn't that wonderful? Yeah, this is what we have. What I would like to say is I wish Leah was here, because Leah Mann, we have such an amazing gift in Leah Mann. She is a world-class artist. I don't know if any of you knew that. Yeah, yes. And she created this, and we are so fortunate, and we want to say thank you to all of you, and thank you to Leah. When you see her, please give her a hug and let her know that you appreciate this. And thank you for all that you have done, and we hope that you will help us do it again next year. Thank you.
Thank you, Marla.